Welcome to this video tutorial. This video provides an overview of the different cleaning and disinfection procedures for the Acquisition Center 2 with Primescan. During the development of the Acquisition Center 2.0 and the CEREC Primescan, we paid a lot of attention to creating smooth surfaces and almost seamless transitions, particularly in regards to cleaning and disinfection procedures. To avoid possible infection of patients as well as practice staff, certain procedures should be applied. Wipe disinfection of non-critical contact surfaces should be performed after each treatment. The following contact surfaces are included: the touch screen, the touch pad, the handle, and the scanner with the scanner holder. Several disinfectants have been validated for wipe disinfection. For a list of the approved disinfectants, please see the current instructions for use on our website. Use either new absorbent cotton gauze that is wetted with one of the disinfectants listed there, or a wipe containing one of these agents. Please refrain from using colored cloths, since they may cause discoloration of surfaces when used with disinfectants. Next, you will see a short video for further explanation. To ensure that we don't accidentally start any function with the touchscreen, we will freeze it first. To do this, the left and right mouse buttons of the touchpad are pressed simultaneously for a few seconds. First, we begin with the touchscreen. Then we take a new cloth to wipe the touchpad and the handle connected to it. Finally, we take another new cloth to clean the scanner and scanner holder. Next, we will take a look at the wipe disinfection of the scanner and the sleeve. The scanner is a highly sensitive optical device and must be treated with utmost care. Therefore, it should neither be sprayed with nor immersed in any cleaning agents or disinfectants. There are 3 different types of sleeves in total. To the left, the window sleeve with coated sapphire glass is displayed. In the center is the disposable sleeve, which is changed after each patient. On the right, we have the autoclavable sleeve with a disposable window. The disposable window is also changed after each patient. We expect this sleeve to be available by the end of 2019. In this demonstration, we turn our attention to the window sleeve with coated sapphire glass. The sapphire glass of the sleeve cannot be removed. Therefore, it cannot be autoclaved, which also applies for the scanner and the cable. Protect the coated sapphire glass and the scanner window from scratches. Should you notice any haze during the scan, clean the window with a lint-free cloth and commercial cleaning alcohol. Then wipe the window again with cotton gauze wetted with drinking water. The following hygiene procedures can be applied for processing the sleeve: wipe disinfection, high-level disinfection, or hot air sterilization. Wipe disinfection consists of 2 steps: pre-cleaning and a repetition of the procedure. Pre-cleaning should be performed immediately after use to avoid the hardening of residues. For demonstration purposes, we will watch a short video sequence. We start the pre-cleaning procedure with wipe disinfection of the attached scanner sleeve. Use the materials that are approved for the processing of non-critical contact surfaces for this step as well. Please make sure to adhere to the treatment time as indicated by the respective manufacturer. Then wipe the sleeve down with cotton gauze soaked with drinking water. Next, the sleeve is dried with a lint-free cloth. This procedure is repeated in the second step, but this time the scanner casing is treated, including the attached sleeve. Both the sequence and the selected materials are identical to those from step 1. Next comes the high-level disinfection procedure of the window sleeve. To do this, the sleeve has to be removed from the scanner. To remove the sleeve, we hold the scanner casing in one hand close to the separation line and the sleeve in the other. Then we create pressure by pushing both hands towards each other so that the sleeve separates from the scanner body. When separating both parts, the sleeve should be pulled off in a straight forward movement without tilting to avoid jamming. For high-level disinfection, a set consisting of a container with lid and a metal bracket with plug is needed. This set can be purchased separately. The disinfectants approved for this procedure can be found in the current instructions for use for the CEREC Primescan. Before the high-level disinfection procedure can be started, the sleeve should be pre-cleaned as outlined above. Press the sleeve onto the plug while holding the metal bracket firmly in place in order to ensure that no particle contamination or fluids penetrate the inside of the sleeve. The container should be filled up to the mark with an approved disinfectant, and the metal bracket with the sleeve placed inside it. We put the lid in place and let the disinfectant work. Please follow the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended treatment time. At the end of the treatment time, we remove the metal bracket with the sleeve and rinse everything with tap water. Again, please follow the manufacturer's recommendation regarding the length of the rinse. Then we carefully remove the sleeve from the holder, making sure that no liquid gets into the inside of the sleeve. We dry the outside of the sleeve, as well as the inner part where the plug was, with a lint-free cloth. Now the sleeve can either be reattached to the scanner immediately, or it can be stored in an area protected from contamination. The third option for processing the window sleeve is hot air sterilization. In this case, the sleeve should be pre-cleaned as well. The sleeve is removed from the scanner body and sterilized, following the recommendations of the hot air sterilizer manufacturer. Then the sleeve can either be stored in a contamination-free area or reattached to the scanner body. Just like when removing the sleeve should be pushed straight toward the scanner body to the stopping point to avoid jamming, without tilting the sleeve or touching the scanner window. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with CEREC.